Prime Minister Dr. Keith Rowley. I hope this letter finds you well. I am writing to bring to your attention a matter of utmost importance.
Good day, my wonderful people. Now, I went ahead and I craft a letter to the Prime Minister of Trinidad, and I am going to send it via WhatsApp to this man. Now, I have been doing my research into the Right Honorable Dr. Keith Rowley, and this man is a very powerful man. He has links in America that will make your head spin. You know, this man have CIA links and stuff like that. If you look at the picture in front of you, that's him right there in America as we speak, and that's the Langley base over there in Richmond, Virginia. So he spoke to a number of high-level US officials, including the Vice President. So he spoke to security officials also in America, FBI, CIA, you name it. Now, if you look at the screen in front of you, you can see the full letter that I wrote to the Prime Minister of Trinidad. And I'm not going to read it out all in entirety, but you can see where it says, "Dear Prime Minister Dr. the Honorable Keith Rowley, I hope this letter finds you in the best of health." And it goes on to explain the gang activity and if he can help us get rid of the 7 gang, Prezi, and I specifically mentioned Prezi in this letter. Now, I've also have an audio version of this letter, and I'm gonna play this audio version after I finish my interjection speech, and so you guys can listen to it. But I am very much dead serious about getting rid of Prezi, or slow down or stop this killing and all this thing. It's not about hating Prezi, because I actually like Prezi. What I don't like is the bloodshed and the music, them turn the dancehall music into murder music, and the killing of the people in the community. It's really some really vicious murders and, you know, really crazy stuff, brutal killing. So yeah, I am dead serious about getting rid of Prezi, so I will be sending off this letter today. So sit back and listen to the audio version of this letter. My name is Countryman. Let's go.
Dear Prime Minister Dr. Keith Rowley, I hope this letter finds you well. I am writing to bring to your attention a matter of utmost importance concerning the safety and security of the residents of Port of Spain, Trinidad. It has come to my attention, and that of many concerned citizens, that Prezi, the alleged leader of the 7 gang operating from Beetham, is believed to be involved in multiple criminal activities, including murders. The increasing criminal activities attributed to the 7 gang, under Prezi's leadership, pose a significant threat to the well-being of our community. The residents of Port of Spain are living in fear, and urgent action is required to address this issue and ensure the safety of our citizens. I kindly request that you prioritize the efforts of law enforcement agencies to apprehend Prezi and dismantle the 7 gang. Strengthening security measures in Beetham and implementing proactive strategies to combat gang-related activities will be crucial in restoring peace to our community. Additionally, I urge you to allocate resources towards community development programs aimed at addressing the root causes of gang involvement. By investing in education, employment opportunities, and social services, we can create a more sustainable solution to prevent the emergence of criminal gangs. The collaboration between government authorities, law enforcement agencies, and community leaders is essential to effectively combating the issue at hand. I believe that with your leadership, we can make significant strides towards a safer and more secure port of Spain. Thank you for your attention to this urgent matter, and I trust that you will take the necessary steps to address the concerns raised by the residents of our city. Sincerely, Countryman. 404-480-3514 WhatsApp.